Coming tomorrow, Meow Match, the perfect dating site for cats. At St. Francis Animal Center, love is just a paw swipe away. This International Cat Day, we're proud to launch Meow Match, a feline-focused matchmaking service designed to connect our most eligible adoptable cats with the humans of their dreams. Looking for a long-term commitment? Craving a cuddle buddy with great eye contact and a better purr? Tired of empty laps and quiet homes? Meow Match has your match. Profiles include dramatic floppers, expert biscuit makers, snack thieves with soft paws, shy romantics with soulful eyes, tuxedo-wearing charmers. Whether you're into bold personalities, mysterious loners, or silly kittens with chaotic zoomies, we've got a kitty who's ready to love you forever. Launching tomorrow only at St. Francis Animal Center. Follow along as we post their dating profiles, bios, and behind-the-scenes speed dating videos. Fall in love. Adopt a cat. Change a life, yours and theirs.